I already checked the venue facilities, tools, supplies, and equipment needed in these qualifications met the standards in the training regulations prior to the start of the competency assessment. Good morning, trainees. Welcome to Skill Tech Institute, a training and assessment center accredited by TESDA. I am Mikhail Benny C. Alba, your competency assessor for food processing and C2. Before anything else, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our TESDA representative, Ms. Laling C. Razon, and our assessment center manager, Mr. Jeremy C. Canas. Do not worry about their presence. They are just here to observe and check if the conduct of assessment is accordance with the prescribed competency assessment, methodology, and procedures. Before we proceed to our orientation, I will just get the assessment package from our TESDA representative, Ms. Laling C. Razon. May I have that, please? Thank you. This assessment packages contains all the materials needed for this assessment. For the checking of attendance, once your name is called, please come in front and present me the admission slip and any valid ID. And please affix your signature right beside your name on the attendance sheet. Candidate number 1, may you please proceed in front. May I have your admission slip and valid ID, and please sign the attendance sheet. Candidate number 2, please come in front. May I have your admission slip and valid ID, and please sign the attendance sheet. You will be candidate number 2. Thank you. It is your card. So I have here with me your accomplishment card. Please wear your candidate tag. You will use it to identify throughout the assessment program. I have here with me your application form, self-assessment guide. This is an indication that you know you can perform all the units of competency enumerated in food processing and C2, and that no one is forcing you to take this assessment. So the purpose of this assessment is to measure your knowledge, skills, and attitude, as well as to determine your level of competency. If you met the requirement for this assessment, you will be receiving National Certificate for Food Processing and C2 for you to use in a job application or job promotion, whether here in the local or in abroad. This qualification is composed of 3 main competencies: the basic and common and core competencies. So the core competency is process food by thermal application. The task to be performed is processing food by salting and curing and smoking. So you will be given the 7 hours to perform all the competency of this qualification. So my role as an assessor is to conduct assessment and to collect evidence of your performance and make assessment decision based on your evidence gathered. Your performances will be as evidence will be judged according to the 4 dimensions of competency, with the task skill, task management skill, task contingencies management skills, and job role environment. And also, by using the 6 rules of evidence, which are authenticity, consistency, currency, recency, and sufficiency, and validity. The assessment methods we will be using for this assessment are demonstration and oral questioning. In the demonstration, all you have to do is to perform all the units of competency enumerated completed for food processing NC2. To check your underpinning skills in the oral questioning, will be given 3 questions for you to answer truthfully and to check your attitude and underpinning knowledge. If you have any difficulty in understanding the instruction given with regards to the process of assessment, just let me explain so I can clarify and explain in Tagalog or in Filipino language. So candidates, I would like you to inform that during this assessment, please refrain from using your cell phones or gadget, because when the assessment starts, you will no longer be allowed to use cellular phones, and cheating and coaching are strictly prohibited. Once you are caught, it will be grounds for disqualification. Please observe safety. The first aid kit is located near the case of fire. There are fire extinguisher in the front and to the back room. Fire emergency exits are properly labeled in case you encountered any untoward incident. Please call my attention so we can give appropriate first aid. After performing all the activities needed for this assessment, I will give my feedback to you individually. So if you have any corrections, questions, or doubts about the result of your assessment, you have the right to appeal and submit a letter to the TESDA Tarlac Provincial Office. About the assessment result, we are observably strictly confidential. Only authorized person and institute where you have your training proper allowed to see the result of the assessment. So sorry for my language. About this assessment, package is kept secured, and to ensure its integrity, we are requesting that you candidates please refrain from giving any information regarding the assessment to anyone. For those who will evaluated as competent issuance, the NC will be after 5 working days. Please bring with you your competency assessment result, summary, 1 piece of passport size photo with white background and color of 50 pesos for the processing. The validity national certificate is for 5 years from the date of issuance. And for those who are not evaluated as competent, don't worry, because you can still be applied for reassessment, and procedure is still the same you have undergone for this assessment. So before we end this orientation, if you have any questions or clarification or concerns about the assessment procedure, you may raise your hand, because whenever you start the assessment, you are no longer allowed to ask. And do you have any regards or questions, candidates? So I will now give you 1 hour to attend your personal needs. There is a comfort room at the back, and if you want to eat, there is a canteen beside the room. So welcome back, candidates. We will now proceed to the demonstration. Here is a copy of specific instructions. You have 10 minutes to read and understand. The timer starts now. So time's up. The demonstration is used to test your underpinning skills and knowledge of uses of disqualification. Come and follow me to the demonstration area. So before anything else, I would like to remind you once again to always wear your PPE and observe proper safety as you conduct the performance assessment. Here are the different stations. Discuss what needs to be performed per station. I will give you 5 minutes to familiarize yourself with this area of assessment. The equipment and tools are, and the timer starts now. So, time's up. You have 7 hours to perform all the tasks for each unit of competency. The timer starts now. So, time's out. So we are now at the last part of this assessment, which are oral questioning. I will be administering the oral questioning individually. So please, candidate number 2, proceed to the waiting area and wait for your candidate number 2 to call. And I administered the oral questioning to candidate number 1. Please follow me here. Please sit in front. So, candidate, I have already checked your papers in the assessment. I will now give your feedback individually. So, candidate number 1, please. Candidate number 1, how do you feel about the assessment? So, with that being said, congratulations. I have found you competent with this assessment. You may claim your NC2 for after 5 working days in the TESDA official province office from 8 to 5 p.m. Just bring your competency assessment result summary, 1 piece of passport size picture with white background and color on, and 50 pesos for the processing fee. For the confirmation of this assessment, kindly sign this. Your cars will be released at the assessment center manager. If you don't have any questions, you may now go to the waiting area. And please call on the candidate number 2. Thank you. Candidate number 2, please come in front. So, candidate number 2, how do you feel about the assessment? With that being said, candidate number 2, I have found you not yet competent with this assessment. You may still apply for the assessment. The process is the same for applying on the assessment. Just bring your accomplished application form and self-assessment guide. Cars, 2 pieces of passport size, white background, and a collar of 500 pesos. You submit your all requirements in any TESDA accredited center and wait for the announcement of the next scheduled assessment. For the confirmation of this assessment, please kindly sign this for your cars and rating sheet.
Ito po.
Yes po. Your cars will be tested first by our AC manager, which is Mr. Lerini Canlas. You may claim it later. So, candidate number 1 and 2, please proceed at the... So, to end this competency assessment, I will now give my assessment package to the TESDA representative. My dear assessors, that end my COC2 demonstration conducting competency assessment, and thank you, candidates.